Hello guys, me, Gaming Bunny 2.0. Have you heard that the pool club just hacked Blizzard, and now they're gonna hack every YouTuber around the world? So you can say goodbye to YouTube now. This is gonna be my last video, I hope. And if you're watching this, PewDiePie and Pierre Apple Quest and you're scared. I hope you will get. I hope YouTube does not get hacked, because I'm gonna miss YouTube now. So I will see you in the next video tomorrow. I hope YouTube is out there. I'm gonna tell my friends at Pure Apple Quest and my friend Psycho47 that YouTube is going to delete now. So you can say goodbye to YouTube. I hope it's still there, YouTube. If you're watching this, I hope you can fix that. Okay, bye.